you'll have 2 glasses of warm water. This will help you stay hydrated and as well as boost your metabolism quickly. Now let's see what you'll have as your breakfast. For your breakfast, I'll give you 2 options. First is coffee with chia seeds and almond milk. Now this is a very healthy and as well as effective keto recipe for breakfast. Now what you have to do is, in a blender, add half cup of chilled water, half cup of almond milk, or if you do not want to add almond milk, you can skip this also. Add chia seeds soaked in water for 30 minutes and 2 teaspoons of coffee. Blend this properly for at least 1 minute, and to add good fats in this, you can also add half a teaspoon of coconut oil to this if you are okay with this, or you can even skip this and enjoy your coffee with chia seeds. You can add almond milk or not, it's your own choice. If you don't want to have this breakfast option, you can also have keto pancake. Now the recipe for keto pancake is already shared on my YouTube channel. I'll add the recipe in the description box below. You can check it out. I prepare keto pancake with the special atta that is net carbs of only 5%. That is Nutroactive Keto Atta. It's prepared in a very healthy form and is very delicious to have. So try this recipe for breakfast. Now let's see what you can have in your mid-morning snack. For your mid-morning snack, you can have 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea. If you don't want to have green tea, you can also have any of these 3 tea options. They are very delicious and as well as great substitutes for green tea if you do not want to have green tea. Or you can also have 1 cucumber. Just chop the cucumber and have it. It is a very good snack in keto. So try having 1 cucumber, or you can also have green tea as per your own choice. Now it's time for your lunch, and as usual before our lunch, we'll have apple cider vinegar in fresh lukewarm water. Apple cider vinegar is extremely 0% carb and it definitely will help you cut your belly fat and lower your sugar levels down in the system quickly. So 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. After 15 to 30 minutes of this drink, we'll have our lunch. For keto lunch, you can have keto atta roti prepared from Nutroactive Keto Atta, which contains only net carb of 5%. Now you can prepare the keto atta roti this way. It is very easy to prepare roti with Nutroactive Keto Atta. All you have to do is take some atta in a bowl and add lukewarm water to this. Make a proper dough out of it by kneading the flour while lukewarm water, because if you use lukewarm water, the chapatis will be very extremely soft and they'll be easily chewable as well. Now all you have to do is just make 2 to 3 chapatis of this Nutroactive Keto Atta and you're good to go. You just have them with any seasonal veg and curd, definitely of your own choice. You can also prepare raita if you want to, or you can have salad with it as well. And your delicious keto lunch option is prepared. You can buy this Nutroactive Keto Atta very easily online. The link to it is given in the description box below. Check it out. It is extremely helpful for fat loss and definitely you'll love having this roti as your lunch. Now for your mid-evening snack, you can have 5 soaked almonds, 1 walnut and half slice of cheese. Yes, you heard me right. You can have half slice of cheese. It is extremely good fat and definitely extremely low in carbs. So you can have 5 soaked almonds, 1 walnut and half a piece of cheese. Now let's see what you can have as your dinner option. For dinner, you will have stir-fried mushrooms with added black pepper powder, oregano and added nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is extremely important for those who are low with vitamin B in them. It contains extremely good amounts of vitamin B12 and vitamin B3, B2 and B1. So add nutritional yeast to your foods to avoid this deficiency. Now how to prepare stir-fried mushrooms? All you have to do is, in a grill pan like this, you can buy it in the description box below. Add avocado oil, or you can also add coconut oil. Add chopped washed mushrooms. Best if you can also add tomato to this. Tomato is extremely good for keto as it is very low in carbs and extremely good for skin. Add chopped mushrooms, chopped tomatoes. Let them saute for at least 5 to 6 minutes properly. Add black pepper powder to this, some oregano to this and let it simmer for at least 2 to 3 minutes. When properly grilled both sides, just transfer it on a a plate and add nutritional yeast over this and gives you a very nice cheesy flavor to the dish, and you will be never deficient of vitamin B ever. And enjoy your dinner. Now the free foods in keto diet plan are, that is, if you want to have or feel hungry between your meals, you can have black tea, black coffee without sugar, green leafy vegetables, you can have cucumber, you can have kale if it's available to you. Lemon water is extremely important for you if you can have in between your meals. Keep on sipping lemon water, chilled or hot as per your own choice. Add mint leaves to this and try having at least 2 liters of water each and every day without fail in keto diet plan. With this diet plan, you'll be able to lose at least 5 to 6 kgs in just 10 days very effectively. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the recipes, and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you. Subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More for more recipes and more diet plans for weight loss and for personalized diet plans.